Take off.
It says gimbal stuck.
The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map. Landing.
Why did it lay back down?
It said the gimbal was stuck.
I supposed to take off button?
Sure. And we hit that. Okay, and then you press and hold on that.
Take off.
There we go.
Home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
You think so? So the mile markers are easy because 1 mile is to the road. So once you hit that road, I mean, obviously it's 52.80, but once you hit that road, you've got to hit a mile.
Hey, Dad, my phones have the same gimbal your phone has.
Really?
Way down. Way down.
Wow. Going 30 miles that way. Where are you going, James? Well, I'm just hitting the road now, so I'm a mile out. I'm at a mile. I'm going up. I haven't hit any interference, but I'm down to 3 bars. So I was at 100, now I'm at 180. How
fast are you going?
32.
I was going 24 in normal mode. I put in sport and I'm going 34, 35.
Nice. Yeah, you might catch up. Because now I'm dropping down a little bit.
35 looks like I'm kind of settling at 35.
Which makes sense. You got a faster drone.
You're over 6,000 feet?
Yeah, I'm at 70, 79, 8,000 feet. I can see the next road, which is 2 miles. So it's kind of nice. I've got these visual markers. Well, they might not be able to hear it unless we were going over like the house. Like I was going over the more of the creek. Like I could see the house.
What altitude are you at now?
I'm at 187. I'll probably go up a little bit more.
I'm at 183. That's funny.
Nice. Yeah, I think I'm going to go up to 400 now that I'm reaching the road.
Battery level is low. The aircraft will go to the home point in 10 seconds.
I'm canceling the auto return home.
How do you do that?
You just hit cancel.
But doesn't the second one come up and it forces it?
It will if it gets sufficiently low, but you can keep canceling. All right, we're over 2. Over 10,000. I'm at 244. Still clean. I still got 2 bars. I'm going to go up to 400.
Then 220 and full bars at 7,000 feet. I've lost the bar now.
All right, I'm going to 3 miles.
8,000 feet.
I'm at 12. Yeah, I got 2 bars, which is incredible for being at 13,000 feet. I'm at 395 though feet, so I'm you know, max height.
Oh, I hit my maximum distance.
It's saying weak signal for me.
No, I have my distance limit. How do I change that again?
Oh shoot. 3 bars up in the top right. Go in there. Drag it up.
Safety, I think, right?
Right.
Max distance. That's my limit.
I'm going to go to 1,600 feet and I'm turning around. All right, I'm turning around. Getting 35 miles an hour back. What?
My controls still work?
What do you mean?
If I'm in those menus?
It should just stop. It'll probably just not move. But yeah, it'll just sit there. I'm flying back now. I hit 16,000 feet, which I think is 3 miles.
What's your battery percentage?
19. Yep, I'm
Are you nervous?
a little nervous.
Alright, I'm gonna go to 16 and turn back too. I'm at 44.
But I know where it is right now, so if I had to drive over and get it, I know where I'm going.
I don't have screen recording on.
Okay, I do, so I'll have a very good sense as to where it is if it goes down.
It looks like there's water around 600 feet. Alright, I'm at 1600. 39% battery. So I think we're coming with the wind.
We are, yep. The wind is helping us back.
Yeah, I'm going 41 miles an hour.
I'm hitting 33 at the moment.
Oh, I suppose I want to be high. Catch the wind coming back. Yeah, looks like I'm gonna have 5 minutes extra time.
Critically low battery. Landing.
How close are you?
8,000. 7.
Do you feel like landing somewhere?
I may. Near the road.
Have you ever run it this low?
No.
I haven't tried that road before. Does he have the same drone you have?
Mm-hmm. Or no, it's the same brand. It's not the exact same model.
Why? But is it the same drone?
What are you at?
I'm at 3. I think I'm at to do it forced landing. I'm getting close to the road though, so
Oh, is that your drone?
it's probably Scott's drone.
Who's Scott?
Scott's right there in the blue shirt.
What does your timer say at the top? That's your battery.
26 seconds.
Okay, so you might make it. How far away are you?
I'm just under a mile.
Hey, Dad.
Just over a mile, sorry. I'm landing in a tire track on the field, so it should be pretty easy to get.
Here's something.
All right, I'm gonna go drive and get mine. It had to land way out there. Do you want to come with and go get it?
How did you get it all out?
Yep. Look, James. There's the little guy.
There's a little guy.
Good job.